Mr. Gray, are you? No? Come here. Ming Ming, Ming Ming. Come here. Ming Ming, you look like a fox. Come here. Ming Ming. Wow, another new one. Food, food. Come. Akil. Wow. New. Wow, you're so sweet. Hi, Akil. Akil, hi.
Alaga mo?
Ha?
Alaga mo?
Hindi, mga kaibigan lang dito. Pinapakain ko lang sila kasi sayang yung pagkain. Hello, hello. Hi, come, come. We have plenty of foods here. Come here. Come here. Oh, look. The big one now is eating. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. No fighting, no fighting. Be friend, be friend. Look. 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 He's afraid now. He's afraid. You, I will give you a name. You look like a fox. Come, come. Hi, 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 hi. Come here. Look, the big one now is, I will give, his name is Tyson. Because he's big. Of all the cats here. Cats, cats. Meow, meow. Yala. Oi, hi, Blackjack. Hi, Blackjack. Oh, where have you been? You're here. See? He's now eating. Mr. Tyson. Eating now. Bye-bye. Good night to all of you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I've been in the desert.